Welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're reviewing the OnePlus 13 Pro, a phone that's making waves in 2025 with its premium design, cutting-edge performance, and one of the best camera systems OnePlus has ever made. But is it truly the flagship killer it claims to be? Let's find out. The OnePlus 13 Pro is crafted with a titanium frame and curved Gorilla Glass Victus 3, making it both durable and stunning to look at. Available in elegant colors like emerald green, midnight black, and a limited edition ceramic white, it feels luxurious in the hand. The IP68 rating ensures water and dust resistance. It sports a gorgeous 6.82-inch KIJ Plus AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and peak brightness up to 3000 nits. Whether you're gaming, watching HDR content, or scrolling, the display is buttery smooth and incredibly vibrant. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, the OnePlus 13 Pro handles everything you throw at it, from heavy gaming to advanced multitasking with ease. Oxygen OS 15 keeps the experience clean, fast, and responsive. Co-developed with Hasselblad, the triple camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom. The new image processing delivers richer colors, better dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance. Video recording goes up to 8K with cinematic stabilization. A 5400 mAh battery powers the device, and thanks to 150-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging. Pros: premium build, incredible display, flagship performance, superb cameras, insanely fast charging. Cons: premium price, slightly heavier than previous models. The OnePlus 13 Pro delivers everything you'd expect from a 2025 flagship, and then some. It's fast, it's beautiful, and it's packed with features that rival the biggest names in the industry. But is it the ultimate flagship killer? We'll let you decide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews on Gadget Nest.